From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
All right, good morning for those of you tuning in. I'm Jake Rowe from the Campus Weather Service, and we have some interesting weather headlines to talk about today, and especially going into the week. So looking right now live out onto West Campus, we can see we still have some cloudy conditions moving through, but otherwise the big story today is going to be some rain moving through. We have temperatures right now hovering around 41 degrees, and it feels like 33 degrees out there with the dew point of 39 degrees and visibility at 7 miles. As we can see, some of those rain showers are going to begin moving through our area come mid to late morning. And we have an east wind right now around 15 miles per hour. So our weather headlines today, we have a temperature drop throughout the day with some rain moving through. And then tonight is the big story. We're going to be looking at a potential for mixing and wintry conditions. But otherwise throughout the week, we're going to see that cool down to really begin going Thursday into Friday. And then the overcast conditions will return to our area. So looking at some of the winter weather alerts we have going on right now, we actually have a winter storm warning upper in the northern parts of the Commonwealth. Right now, State College seems to be out of these advisories, but we're going to keep a close eye, especially as this system begins to move through. Otherwise, we have some winter storm watches throughout the northern portions of the state. See, the big story right now is we have a center of low pressure right around North Carolina and South Carolina that brought some severe thunderstorms yesterday to the area in Florida. So this is the big nor'easter that we're going to be watching move through the area, which seems that it'll bring rain early on, as we can see some of these bands of showers move through the central part of PA right now. But otherwise, we want to look to tonight as the temperatures begin to cool down. So let's take a look at the future radar. We have these showers move through the areas. You can see some of that transition to a rain-snow mix towards the evening hours tonight. Otherwise, those showers stick around on the eastern side of the state in Scranton and Allentown, and that mixing seems to have stopped for the most part. But as we go through Tuesday night, those temperatures begin to drop near freezing, and we're going to be looking at some more mixing occurring throughout the evening with the potential for some moderate snowfall, but it's all dependent on if we reach that freezing point, which right now forecasted only to reach about 33 degrees. So we're going to be keeping a close eye as this system moves through and see if any cold air is going to make its way into the area. But otherwise, as we push through Tuesday throughout the day and Wednesday, those conditions will begin to clear, leaving us with mostly cloudy skies throughout the day on Tuesday. All right, so let's look at today's forecast. We have a high of 42 degrees in that afternoon rain we were talking about moving through with a northeast wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Looking at tonight's forecast, we have a rain and snow mix throughout the area with lows around 33 degrees and a northeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then looking at tomorrow's forecast, highs are going to be right around 40 degrees, and that mixing condition will end early, leaving us with cloudy skies throughout the day and a northwest wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. All right, so let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. As we can see for today, Monday, we have that rain and late mix throughout the day with highs around 42 and lows around 33 degrees. Tuesday morning, we'll have that mix ending, leading to cloudy skies with highs around 40 and lows dropping below freezing at 30 degrees. Wednesday, we have the sun finally returning to the area with highs around 48 degrees and lows around 34. And then Thursday, Friday, there's a chance for some slight unsettled weather with some flurries moving through. But otherwise, those temperatures maintain 40 degrees on Thursday and 36 on Friday. And then later towards the weekend, we're looking at some mostly cloudy conditions with some much cooler temperatures finally returning to the area. Well, thank you for tuning in. As before, I'm Jake Rowe at the Campus Weather Service. Have a fantastic day.